Go on. See you open it. Yeah, they're doggies. Wow, yeah, look at that. Open? Hold on. Yeah, we'll open that later.
And let's see what else you got.
We're gonna see what else you have.
Read the card.
You open the card? Right here. Here, right here. I'll help you. Put your finger in here. Okay, there it is. Take it out. Take it out. Oh, Tweety Bird.
Tweety Bird.
Who's it from? Can you open it?
She's 2.
Yeah, open the card.
Other side.
Other side. Keep going.
There you go. Open. There we go.
Oh, there, some money fell out.
Ooh.
Who's it from, Emiko?
Let's see.
Here, let Grandma read it.
Grandma will help you.
Let's see. Uncle Wes and Auntie Susie.
Yay. Okay, this is for Mommy and Daddy.